I'm getting ready for date night and I want to take this straight hair into curls. So I'm giving this curling iron a try for the first time. First off, I absolutely love the color. And if you can see here, it has easy dials to turn off, and then you can pick your temperature. For me, I like it at 375, but it does go up to 425. You can't burn your hand. This is not hot at all, but then the curl stays within this section. Another great design about this is that the heat stays inside the curler. Because this is around it, the heat is not escaping. So you only need 15 seconds to curl your hair. And on top of that, it's an automatic curl. You can pick your direction, which way you like it, away from the face or close, and it'll automatically beep when it's done, and you just pull it out and then your curl's done. So let's try it out. Put a thermal guard on your hair, and I'm on 375. Remember, you can choose the direction of your curls. And how we're doing this is your hair is gonna go in diagonal, if that makes sense, and it's gonna wrap around the rod. So the thing is with this is it cannot be a huge section of hair. It has to be a little bit more conservative. There we go, just like that. And we're gonna have it vertical. I'm holding it, and hold it for 5 seconds. It'll automatically stop. Let it go. 15 seconds, you don't even have to count yourself. It'll beep at you, and we'll do that in a few seconds. And all you do is let it go. It does have a little bit of a learning curve. First is picking the direction that you like, and then the second is not being overambitious with how big the hair is, because that happened to me a couple times where I grabbed too big a section of hair and it just doesn't fit in the slots enough, and then you have to kind of readjust. So play around with it, get used to it. Let's finish this look and see how it turns out. I've made my last little section. It's going to be in the front. So for this one, again, I want to have it away and not as curled. So I'm going to take it around, and I'm actually going to stop it a little bit shorter. Let it just kind of loosely be around the barrel. There it is. Okay, my hair is all cooled. So I'm going to take some hair oil, put it in my palm, rub it around, and then just gently break up the curls a little bit from the middle to the end. But yeah, that is the final look. This is the Moray automatic curling iron, and I absolutely love it. I'll put a link to this one that I'm using in the caption, and also let me know what you think in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.